The safety cabin is designed for welding and cleaning operations, providing a secure working environment.
Wind's now coming, at least in the video.
Welding sparks can not only easily ignite fires but also damage clothing and paper. Typically, only the operator wears laser protection glasses, but even from a distance, the intense light can cause eye damage. Prolonged exposure nearby can lead to sunburn and even increase the risk of skin cancer. Accidentally bending or stepping on the fiber optic cable can lead to equipment malfunction or serious damage, affecting its performance and longevity. Then you're spending extra time and money on expensive repairs. If not have smoke purifier, welding or cleaning fumes can cause serious harm to the body and directly pollute the atmosphere, contributing to environmental damage. If the welding gun shifts or misaligns during operation, it can easily strike the body, causing severe skin injuries and potential long-term damage. The safety house is designed to prevent these hazards, ensuring a safer working environment. When the door is opened, the machine automatically stops emitting light. Equipped with a smoke purifier, it actively absorbs harmful fumes during operation. There are also security protection and soundproofing effect.